Hi guys, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a GoPro 7. Basically this GoPro 5 that I've got, it's a pain in the backside. I'm doing footage, majority of the time it has audio problems. Whether I use its microphone that's built into this or an external mic plugged in, for some reason there's no audio. I mean, I've done ride outs on motorbikes. Starting audio because of this. I've done loads of different footage that I'll have to put up, but they need audio, and it's spontaneous as to when this mic's not going to work. So my option now has just been to just replace this, just to get rid of this, let someone else have it that doesn't actually necessarily need audio. So yeah, so I opted to get the 7. I'm trying to do a quick unboxing, and the first use of this is probably going to be in the car. But yeah, let's just get it unboxed. So similar to the 7, to the 5. Sorry, very similar to the 5. In that it's a pain in the backside to get open. Not sure what's holding that so well. So, as per usual, more manuals. We have S10 GoPro cable, battery, some stands, and nothing else. That's literally it. So, let's undo this. So, to look at both of these cameras, there's not a huge difference. I mean, the material on this is different. It's smooth, whereas this has got grooves in it. That's got 7, that's got 5 on it. But I will tell you now, the 7 feels like it might actually be heavier. Right, this camera's already on. I need to pull the backing off this and get it off. The screen's a lot more responsive. And it demands you set this up for your... Oh, no. Skip setup. What's the date today? That should be real easy. American setup. Time. Here we go, and it's now on. So I'm going to do some testing, see what these two are like, and yeah, should be good.